Right, Monday morning people, I'm here to crack on. I went to Ivy the weekend and got the backing for the extractor fan for the hob and small bits. I now need to work out how I'm going to do it. It's slightly thicker than I wanted, but I think I can put the thicker part inside the wall and have, because I want it quite far back, to have the actual vent pipe, flexi pipe come straight down and not have a massive hole in the middle of the room, basically. But we're working on that this morning, getting it all the way back to the exhaust pipe in the bathroom back there, and then we will work on the extraction for the two bathrooms as well. I've got some extra bits for that. Unfortunately, it's a lot more expensive OB than where I've been before, but I should have got the right stuff in the first place, but I didn't really know what I wanted.